This is the elevator at the Macy store at the Bridgewater Common Shopping Center in Bridgewater, New Jersey. The Westinghouse. There's your Macy's directory. And here we go. Let's go up to 3. And here we go. Bell, 4,000 pound capacity. Those doors are horrible. Very similar. This is a cab. Very similar to the Hamilton molds, except this has silver paneling versus it having regular paneling. Phone, older phone. Here we are at 1, 3. Door closed does not work. And here we go. Let's go down to 1. Get your older Westinghouse interlock. Those doors sound horrible. Look at that. Wow. So they replaced the motor on this too. Interesting. Again, just your typical silver paneling. This is actually more beaten up than the Hamilton Mall location. But these are identical. Both motors were replaced on them, and there is your directional chime for going up. The down one works too, but I want to show it. This thing sucks. This elevator sucks. Oh, go ahead.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's working. It's working, don't worry.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. There it goes, and that's it. And that's the machine arm. So there it goes, and that's it.